Dust on the frame where the picture hides, edges curled up like the truth untied. The colors fade, but the story clings. It's a broken melody that the silence sings. Faded Polaroids, they don't lie. Snapshots of a moment I can't buy. Grainy and torn, but they still survive. Faded Polaroids keeping me alive. Coffee stains on the corner of the page, memories trapped in a paper cage. The ink might run, but it doesn't drown. It's a mess I love, though it's falling down. And I don't need new frames, I don't need clean lines. Faded Polaroids, they don't lie. Snapshots of a moment I can't buy. Grainy and torn, but they still survive. Faded Polaroids keeping me alive. Static on the screen like a voice I lost. Every crack and scratch, it knows the cost. The past is loud in the quiet hum, a treasure chest of who I've become. Mm-hmm.